Hey guys, subscribe our channel Tech Explorer and don't forget to press the bell icon to never miss an amazing video. Hello friends, welcome to Tech Explorer. In this video we are going to show you how to set live wallpaper to your PC. So now let's explore it. So to set live wallpaper to your PC, you just need to download one application called Push Video Wallpaper. Using this application, you can set any video as your wallpaper. Along with the feature of live wallpaper, this application also provides adjustment option using which you can adjust the brightness of your live wallpaper, and also you can adjust the transparency of desktop icons. So friends, if you like this video, please do like, comment, share, and most important, don't forget subscribe our channel Tech Explorer for more videos like this. Now goodbye and thanks for watching our video.